To solve this, we have to express all the numbers in the same base. If you look at the base here, we have 2 here, we have 4 here, and we have 8 here. So we have to express all of them in the same base such that we have 2 power x plus 1 here, then dot, which is times. This will now be 2 power 2, then bracket x minus 2, then over 2 power 3 bracket x minus 3, and this will give 2 power x plus 1 times 2 power 2x minus 4, then over 2 power 3x minus 9. So now we can bring them all together so that we have 2 power x plus 1 times 2 power 2x minus 4, then divided by 2 power 3x minus 9. And don't forget the law of indices. When we have the same base, then multiplication will become the law of indices. This multiplication will become addition and division will become subtraction. This law of indices that says a power m times a power n will be equal to a power m plus n, and a power m divided by a power n will be equal to a power m minus n. So this is what we will be using for this. So now we'll be having we'll be bringing everything together so that we have 2 power x plus 1, then plus 2x minus 4, then minus 3x minus 9. Then when we solve for that, we have 2 power x plus 1, then plus 2x minus 4, then minus 3x, then plus 9, because this negative will multiply this negative. Now let's add the x together. X plus 2x will give 3x, then 3x minus 3x will become 0. Then this one's 1 minus 4 would give negative 3, then negative 3 plus 9 would give 6. So this will be, so now we'll be having 2 power 6. And what is 2 power 6? That will be 64. 2 times 2, 4, times 2, 8, times 2, 16, times 2, 32, and then times 2, 64. So the answer will be 64, and that is it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more.